Hello everyone សួស្តីទាំងអស់គ្នា Welcome to my Speak Khmer class ខ្ញុំបាទឈ្មោះហៀង and today video I'm going to show you about the letter and sound in Khmer language. In Khmer language there are 33 consonants. So I will show you one by one from the number 1 until the number 33. But this is all for today. What we are going to do is here, this is the Khmer alphabet, this is Khmer letters. The second, this is the symbol. So this is my symbol. But you can use your own symbol if you would like to. But if you use my symbol, yeah, you will see it again and again and again and again for the next video also. And here, this is about the words of each letters. The word of each letter. So let's go together, okay? The first letter that you are going to learn, that you see in here, we call Gor. Gor, let's say together. Gor. So Gor, and the word is Gor. Your neck. Gor. Gor. Khor. Khor. Khor, Khla, Khla, tiger, Khla. Go, go is like go away, but this is go. Go, cow, cow. Cow, cow, cow. Khmom, khmom. Bee, Khmom. I like bees. I like honey bees. Ngo, ng with ng sound like ng. Ngo, ngeav. The cockle shells. The cockle shell. This is I like a lot. Just mix together with the chili and salt and grill it with some chili sauce. Perfect. Chaw. Chaw, chan, chaw, chan, plate, chan, chaw, Chh'ma, the cat. And next one, chaw. Okay, do this. Chaw, chroop, pig, chroop. Chaw, ch, and o, chaw. Chaw to stand. Now I am standing. So Khmom chaw, Khmom chaw, nhor with ny sound, nhor. This is, I can say, this is a little bit difficult and like a bit hard for the foreigners who say this alphabet. So the word nhor is like you have your tongue, so your teeth is like this, and the tongue is like this. So you just close your teeth. Like your mouth is open, but the teeth is like this, and the tongue is like here. When you open your mouth, your tongue take it back. So nhor, nham, to eat, nham bài, Khmom nham bài. Door. It's like open the door, but it's not the door. It is a bit softer. We say door. Dai, hand. Dai. Okay? So let's go back together. So we have Gor, Cow, Go, Cow, ngor, chaw, nhổ, đỏ, đỏ. Okay, so thank you very much for this video, for watching this video. Hope you enjoy it, and see you in next video. Oh, one more thing. Khmer language and Khmer alphabet is easy. So some you can see it is soft, some it is a bit deeper, the sound. So to test it, to make sure that you pronounce it correctly or not, let's take out a piece of paper and do like this. They go together. So we have Gor, Gor. It's okay, right? Cow. You can see it blow a little bit ear, so the sound is a bit stronger. Cow. Gor Cow. Ngor, chaw, chaw. Chaw, chhor, nhor, Okay, again. Gor Cow. Gor Cow. Ngor, chaw, chaw. Chaw, chhor, nhor, Okay, see you next video. Bye bye.